One of the greatest lessons for me at 54 is that God is not out there. God is not someone that is external of me that I'm searching for or that I have to seek in a church or some other organization to pray to. God is within me. And when I realized that, everything changed. It's been many years now that I've embraced that belief that God is within me. And I've come to realize that that is what many are calling Christ consciousness, that He lives within us if we allowed it. If we are portals of love and compassion, God's energy is right there, fully accessible. And so that has been such a beautiful point of clarification for me. So, one of the things that I realized is that you can reconnect your relationship with God at any point in time. And I've known this intellectually, but I wasn't really doing it. And I finally feel that I am having a much more enriched, beautiful relationship with God now at a mature age. And I don't need to go to church for it. I don't even need to read the Bible. I don't need to go anywhere else, but to just look within my own heart. Maybe imagine his beautiful light and presence just pouring down me. But that's really all that I need to feel God's divine love. And when I started to realize just how simple it really is, it just changed so much for me. I have been walking around with a feeling of more empowerment, of more peace, of a beautiful knowing that I can call in his energy at any time and just walk around with that beautiful, loving, compassionate, kind presence that he is, and to try to do those acts of kindness and compassion in my daily life as much as possible. So that was the first step, rebuilding my connection with God and knowing it's fully accessible. The second was just simply embodying that beautiful Christ consciousness in my daily living from the morning I wake up until the time I go to bed, just knowing that I can activate kindness, compassion, and love whenever possible. Now, I am not perfect at this. I still have my human traits where I may lose patience. Maybe I get irritated about things. I mean, we are human after all. But the more I bring myself back to love, kindness, compassion, the more aligned I feel with who I'm supposed to be and in my truest, most beautiful expression of who I'm supposed to be showing up as. The other thing that I realized is that manifesting the life that you desire starts with really connecting with God, connecting with the love that you have for yourself, the self respect that you have for yourself, which is all a part of God's divine presence. And the more that we are in this state of joy, love, the more we're able to co create with Him the life that we want for ourselves. And I don't think anything is unattainable as long as we trust ourselves and we trust the process. And I love that I'm in this state now because I love what I'm co creating right now in my life, knowing that God is with me every step of the way. And I'm 54. I really believe it's never too late to create your reality. And that is what I'm sticking to. Little by little, I am making steps to make changes in my life that are going to not only put me more in alignment with the person that I want to be and become, but also the physical things that I want to manifest that I know are not only going to enrich my life, but more importantly, are going to help enrich the lives of people that I love and the causes that I want to support. Where are you with your spirituality? Do you feel like you have a good connection with God? Are you nurturing that relationship? Do you feel like you want to nurture that relationship? Put it in the comments. I would love to hear where you're at. And if you'd like, check out this video and see if it resonates with you. I'll see you in the next one.